One feather is of no use to me. I must have the whole bird.
Do not shoot me, for I will give you good counsel. I know what your business is, and that you want to find the golden bird.
I should be very silly if I went to that shabby house and left this charming place.
I know what your business is, and that you want to find the golden bird.
Brother! Come on in! There's room for you here!
Maybe another time.